Ethereum value equivalent to $20.35 a coin. The present reach: $1,995, $2,068. The earlier day close: $2,012. The change was plus 23, plus 1.14%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset, cost at $1,816. Most extreme cost $2,206, least cost $1,778. The normal for the month $1,945. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,980, change for November 9.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Initially cost at $1,980. Most extreme cost $2,427, least cost $1,785. The normal for the month $2,037. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,954, change for December 1.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place, cost at $1,954. Greatest cost $2,272, least cost $1,954. The normal for the month $2,076. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,123, change for January 8.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at $2,123. Greatest cost $2,307, least cost $2,005. The normal for the month $2,148. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,156, change for February 1.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for WALK 2024. At the outset, cost at $2,156. Most extreme cost $2,156, least cost $1,778. The normal for the month $2,001. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,912, change for spring 11.3%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $1,912. Greatest cost $1,963, least cost $1,707. The normal for the month $1,854. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,835, change for April 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. To start with, cost at $1,835. Greatest cost $2,026, least cost $1,760. The normal for the month $1,879. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,893, change for May 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else, cost at $1,893. Most extreme cost $2,030, least cost $1,764. The normal for the month $1,896. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,897, change for June 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset, cost at $1,897. Most extreme cost $2,083, least cost $1,811. The normal for the month $1,935. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,947, change for July 2.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. To start with, cost at $1,947. Greatest cost $2,370, least cost $1,947. The normal for the month $2,120. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,215, change for August 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $2,215. Greatest cost $2,397, least cost $2,083. The normal for the month $2,234. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,240, change for September 1.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. At the outset, cost at $2,240. Most extreme cost $2,780, least cost $2,240. The normal for the month $2,465. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,598, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at $25.98. Most extreme cost $2,598, least cost $2,236. The normal for the month $2,459. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,404, change for November 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at $1,208. Greatest cost $1,499, least cost $1,208. The normal for the month $1,329. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. To start with cost at $14.01. Greatest cost $1,401, least cost $1,138. The normal for the month $1,291. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,224, change for February 12.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $1,224. Most extreme cost $1,519, least cost $1,224. The normal for the month $1,347. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,420, change for spring 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Before all else cost at $14.20. Most extreme cost $1,687, least cost $1,420. The normal for the month $1,526. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,577, change for April 11.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at $1,577. Greatest cost $1,577, least cost $1,233. The normal for the month $1,428. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,326, change for May 15.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. To start with cost at $13.26. Greatest cost $1,384, least cost $1,202. The normal for the month $1,301. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,293, change for June 2.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2026. At the outset cost at $12.93.